Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add links to your Facebook story. It's pretty simple, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is go to your Instagram. From here, you want to swipe over and create a story. You can go ahead and just take a photo or find one from your photo album. Once you've done that, you can add a sticker. Click the link, just paste in whatever you want to. I'll just paste it in my YouTube channel. From here, you can click on the YouTube and change the colors of it, whatever you would like. From here, you need to click the little arrow. And then when it says your story, you can click sharing options underneath it. Then you can click share to Facebook every time. This means that once you share it to your Instagram account, it will share it to your Facebook story every time you post, or just this one time, you can click share once. You can change this in your settings, but once you post this is going to pop up. It'll also pop up on your Facebook, and so it will then have this link that you can click on and head to whatever website you want them to go to. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.